Your life doesn't change because the world is hard. It changes the moment your attitude does. Two people face the same struggle. One breaks, the other rises. The difference isn't luck. It's attitude. Have you ever felt like the world is against you? Like every door you try to open is locked, and every path you take leads to a dead end? I've been there. We've all been there. It's easy to get caught up in the things we can't control, the traffic, the weather, what other people think. But what if I told you there's one thing you have absolute, total control over? Something so powerful it can change your entire reality. That thing is your attitude. Think about it. Two people can face the exact same challenge. One sees it as an insurmountable wall, a sign to give up. The other sees it as a hurdle, a test of strength, an opportunity to grow. The situation is the same. The only difference is their mindset. Your attitude is the filter through which you experience life. It's the paintbrush that colors your world. You can choose to paint with dark, gloomy colors, or you can choose vibrant, hopeful ones. The canvas is yours. So many of us wait for our circumstances to change before we decide to be happy. We say, I'll be happy when I get that promotion, or I'll be positive when I solve this problem. But that's backwards. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. If you project negativity, you'll find more things to be negative about. If you project positivity, you'll start seeing opportunities you never noticed before. The universe responds to the energy you put out. This isn't just some feel-good idea. It's a practical strategy for success. Every successful person, from athletes to entrepreneurs, will tell you that their mindset was the key. They faced rejection, failure, and doubt, just like everyone else, but they refused to be defeated by it. They chose to see failure not as a final verdict, but as feedback. They used setbacks as fuel to push harder, to learn more, and to come back stronger. Their attitude was their secret weapon. So how do you change your attitude? It starts with a conscious decision. Right now, decide that you will no longer be a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of your life. Start your day with gratitude. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, name 3 things that are right. It might feel small, but it's like a workout for your brain. The more you practice gratitude, the stronger your positive mindset becomes. Surround yourself with positivity. Listen to uplifting messages. Read books that inspire you. And be mindful of the people you spend time with. Energy is contagious. If you're surrounded by complainers and cynics, it's going to be hard to stay optimistic. Find your tribe, the people who lift you up, who believe in you, and who reflect the person you want to become. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Changing your mindset isn't an overnight process. There will be days when you slip back into old habits. That's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, don't beat yourself up. Just gently redirect your thoughts. Acknowledge the negative thought, and then choose a more empowering one. Every time you do this, you are rewriting your mental programming. Your life is a direct reflection of your attitude. If you want to change your life, you don't need to change your job, your city, or your relationships first. You need to start from within. You need to change your mind. It's the one change that has the power to change everything else. So what do you choose? Will you let your circumstances define you, or will you let your attitude shape your destiny? The choice is yours. Make it a powerful one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivation.